Socialist Council of Nagaland, Isak Muiva, is believed to have accepted the solution offered by Centre's interlocutor RN Ravi on its demand for a greater Nagaland, even as the stalemate over a separate flag and constitution continued, media reports said today. 2 rounds of discussions held on Wednesday remain inconclusive, and both sides would meet for another round of talks on Thursday, officials said. Massive public alert agitations are underway in different parts of Manipur under the aegis of Kukumi. The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kukumi, has launched a sustained agitation in Manipur, fearing that the proposed Indo-Naga peace deal could hurt the geographical boundary and integrity of Manipur. Normal commercial activities in border town Moray was also affected by the Kukumi agitation. There was no vehicular movement along Imphal-Moray Highway, and commercial establishments remained half open in the Moray town. At the same time, Namphalong Market in Myanmar wore a deserted look. With the rest of the country, Manipur is marking the 144th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel. Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India organized the National Unity Day 2019 at Kumalampak Sports Complex, Imphal. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Letpao Haukip, President of Manipur Olympic Association, TH Biswajit, Lok Sabha MP RK Ranjan, Education Minister Radhe Shyam, and Dr. Suresh Babu shared the days on the occasion. The Working Committee of the Naga National Political Groups on Wednesday informed that the Working Committee and the Government of India have come to an understanding that the Naga flag and constitution are indispensable to the Naga people, media reports said today. Formal talks between the Government of India and the NSCN-IM continued for a 3rd consecutive day yesterday in New Delhi without any breakthrough, according to media reports. The meeting, which occurred during the morning between Government of India, interlocutor, and Nagaland government RN Ravi and the NSCN-IM collective leadership led by General Secretary TH Muiva, failed to break the stalemate on the continuous issue of the Naga flag and constitution. The Congress has decided to hold nationwide protests from November 5th to 15th against the Narendra Modi government policies, with special focus on economic crisis, unemployment, farm distress, and the adverse impact of the proposed RCEP agreement. Congress to hold nationwide protests from November 4th. At least 16 people were killed and 13 others suffered injuries as fire engulfed an express train in Liakpur near Rahim Yar Khan on yesterday morning. The incident took place in wee hours when 3 coaches of Karachi-Rawalpindi Tesgam Express train caught fire, media reports said. India loses 1 state, gets 2 more union territories. With the official bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir on Thursday, India lost a state but gained 2 new union territories in the form of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, close to 3 months after the centre took the historic step of bifurcation along with abrogation of Article 370 and 35A. From midnight on Thursday, India is having 28 states and 9 union territories. The 2 union territories will be having its lieutenant governors, Radha Krishna Mathur sworn in as the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, while Girish Chandra Murmu is set to assume the same post in Jammu and Kashmir. Real Madrid defeated Leganés in Spanish League. In a match that played yesterday in Barcelona, Real Madrid defeated Leganés in an easy 5-0, moving Madrid into 2nd place after stumbles by other teams. As per reports, French striker Karim Benzema has Real Madrid right on the tail of Barcelona at the top of the Spanish league. Madrid climbed to within 1 point of defending championship Barcelona.